Maniacs, John and Ryan here. We are heading to Las Vegas, SEMA Show 2022, and you guys are watching Maniacs Garage. Boom! That's going to be animated intro right there.
So how's she towing today, John?
Hey, so welcome. All right, guys, so we are towing the 49 Ford body swap BMW. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch some videos, right?
Right.
We have 90 videos, I think, now
90
of this car. And we are towing it with the Tacoma, the 2020 Tacoma. Done a bunch of stuff to this thing. It's got gears, it's lifted, and it's towing this thing really good. We're actually going over, I don't know what pass this is right here, but it's a pretty good little climb. Yeah. And it's doing real good. So anyway, 49 Ford, we were invited to participate in the Optima Streetcar Challenge at the SEMA show. So if you guys have been watching this channel, you know that we built this car over the last now 3 years, but it took us 2 years to build it, and we took it to SEMA last year. We had it on display for Hostile Wheels, and now we got invited back to go play around. So we are actually gonna drive it at the event. It's what is it called?
The Streetcar Challenge?
Yeah.
It's like a little short course, kind of like an autocross, but
it's like an autocross, yeah. It's an autocross time trial kind of thing. We had to do a few things to the car to prepare it for that. Went through all the fluids and redid the suspension on it, readjusted, made some adjustments on the suspension. We actually changed the back fender. Still not going to be our permanent fender, but it's definitely going in the right direction. Let us know what you guys think of this setup that we have. Man, I'm really looking forward to this.
Me too. It'll be fun. I'm anxious to see how the car does compared to some of the other cars that we'll be competing against.
And you know, the cool part about it is that even though it's SEMA and it was SEMA crunch, and I still only got 1 hour and 2 hours of sleep or something like that.
Yeah, that's about right.
It wasn't as bad.
No,
this time around.
Instead of 2 weeks of every night, just a couple of nights.
And we got the car ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We're gonna take you along. We're gonna just check out SEMA, show you guys some clips of the car, hopefully running real good. I wanna mention this to you guys. Took the car out yesterday, and for the first time, I actually drove it pretty hard. It was in a parking lot. It was good. It was a secure environment, safe and all that. But she definitely parties, I gotta tell you. It was pretty fun. It was fun. Man, when that boost comes on, wastegate, blow off, tires spinning, smoke going, it was a lot of stuff. It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Look forward to checking it out.
All right, guys, let's get to it. Going, oh my goodness, that is so sweet, man. Wow, amazing. We're here.
I've seen some sweet cars already.
So now it's just finding our registration area to get in and then get this thing unloaded.
Yeah, it's the same problem we had last year. We drove multiple circles around this place trying to find where to get in. I hope we can figure out where to go. That looks right. Maybe. Yep, we got a nod from the gatekeeper. Of course, they gave us a nod last time and kicked us out too.
Just like my buddy Robert says, just act like you know where you're going, what you're doing, they'll let you go.
I'm excited.
No, I I set this up as a flagship, so it's
So hey guys, we got a special treat today.
going on.
Jake with Motive Motorsport, and that's what we're running in this car. He just happens to be here at SEMA, saw us run, and saw us suck at it. So,
You ran great.
so he stopped in, and he's actually going to do a flash on the transmission. So super stoked because we don't speak that language
At all.
at all. Jake, maybe tell the viewers kind of what it is, what you're doing.
The car's tuned through MHD Plus. We're using a reflex for port fuel control and boost control, everything over the CAN bus system. And with the power that it's making now after the last dyno tune session we did, apparently the transmission's getting a little pissed off. So we're
Really
gonna flash,
pissed off.
Yeah, we're gonna flash XHP on it so that it'll shift gears and actually grab and not have any more issues with that, so he can get his times down a lot.
Gonna make me look better out there. So it's so cool. So Jake's actually logging in on the tablet, in the in-dash tablet on the car, log into a hotspot, and is gonna download XHP transmission tuner key.
Make it bounce like.
Psych!
How you feeling about this, John?
Psych! Feeling good. Feeling real good.
Excited for another new experience.
Excited. Hope this tranny tune's gonna be the magic.
Good luck, bro.
Thanks.
I think I like calling this the Ford MW.
It's got a bit of a Volvo Amazon look to it.
It does. He's on a clean lap so far. Oh, but he DNFs it. He misses the offset. That will be no help for him.
The 49 Ford Coupe, driven by John Mlozik out of Tucson, Arizona. 621 horsepower coming out of that car, 3,450 pounds. Runs Toyo 305s in the front, 345s in the back.
And I kind of am curious what gave them the idea to put a Ford on top of a BMW.
I love it. I'm glad he did it.
It's cool. I like it. I don't know that I would have thought of it.
Shake it big, baby! Shake it big!
What'd you think, man?
Man, car's running awesome. It's me that sucks right now. So this is the first time doing this. I literally only been in the car one time. We took it out of the school parking lot, and you know, you'll only have a little bit there to kind of feel the turns on it. All our sponsors, I can't believe it. Status, you guys really pulled through last minute on this thing. Hostile Wheels, Toyo Tires, Garrett Turbo. Man, the list goes on. Doc Race.
You better get a helmet on. You're about up again, dude.
I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I am enjoying myself out here. Let's go.
see all of you. It's been an awesome day. Please don't let us down now. We're all counting on you. Okay, this is a peak performance challenge. This is our acceleration braking competition. Have you all watched what went on before you guys got here, right? So it's very simple. We're going to start down here. We're going to go this way. I need all of you to stay by your car. Every time when we call you, you got to go. When it's time to go back, pull up past your parking space and back in. Makes it a lot easier. A lot easier, except for the guy on the end, because you can't do that, right? Anyway, right side first. You're going to pull out here. You're going to pull that cone right there. We're going to run the right side. When you're done, you'll come out of the box. You'll skip around to the left side. When you come off the left side, you're going to come back by the ambulance and come out. When you come to see me, there's going to be 2 cars here all the time. I need the second car to pull up really tight to the first one so that we have an exit. All right, I need that exit open all the time. When you come back in here, go back to your grid spot. Then we're going to call you again in roughly 8 minutes. You're going to get 3 runs. Each run, in order for it to count, must be clean. You cannot hit a cone. Your car must be entirely in the box to be a good run. The flagger will throw up a green flag for a good one, red flag for a bad one. Please don't hit any cones, and as I said earlier, the concrete walls do not jump out in front of you. If that's on you. When Eric puts his arms up and down, go. Do not wait, do not do launch control, whatever. Go. We're trying to keep this thing moving along because we got a great crowd here that wants to watch all of you. Do we have any questions? Yeah, you'll be first. Okay? Everybody take all your junk out of your cars, put your helmets on, get in your cars. Let's go have a great time.
John, how we feeling, brother?
A little nervous, to be honest.
A little nervous. Are we shaking? Show me your hands. Hold your hands out.
It's gonna be awesome.
It is gonna be awesome, man. Knock them dead.
Just don't want to embarrass you. Jumping out of my chest, man. It's so much to look for, right? You're trying to watch your RPM, what gear you're in, the braking zone, the turn, you know, coming back, the stop, you know. This one's called the speed stop. So you take off, you make literally one U-turn, come back, hammer it, and then stop in a box. And it's just, that little stuff is so much. It's crazy. Like I got so much respect for race car drivers, and man, just, it's crazy. So, but I'm having so much fun. Ryan, dude, I thank you so much for all the work that you put into this thing.
Absolutely.
We're having a ball out here, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video.
What do you think, man?
I gotta tell you, I'm kind of hooked. I'm kind of hooked. I
actually could do really well in an event like this.
It looks so in its element out there, dude.
I think it does, man. I think it does. And a little bit more practice, a little bit more dialing in some suspension and, you know, tire pressure. I think this thing's going to be a pretty serious contender for its, you know, for what it is. I mean, it's a BMW and it rips. So it's got the suspension, it's got the brakes. Man, braking was so cool. Like, I way, you know, premature brake on that, you know. And there was so many. I just started to go further and further on the last run. I really went further, and I could have still gone further, like you said, because you're watching me. And man, it's just really, really cool. So I'm really digging this. But maybe we need some Willwoods. Maybe it'll stop even better.